Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Kibana dashboard's data sources and index patterns step by step clearly. Open your Kibana interface and log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Stack Management option from the menu. Under the Data section, find and select Index Patterns. Here, you will see a list of all existing. Choose the index pattern you want to verify data sources for. Click on the chosen index pattern to open its details page. Observe the data source section to see which Elasticsearch indices are associated with this index pattern. Take note of any index patterns that are displayed under the Indices section. To further verify, navigate back to the Stack Management menu. Select Data Views, which assists in comprehending how your data is visually represented. In the Data Views section, you can filter and examine the specific attributes of your data. If you need to verify specific data sources, access the DevTools option from the left menu. In DevTools, use the console to run queries on the indices you are interested in. Write a simple query like get/your_index_pattern/_search to pull data from that index. Execute the query by clicking the green play button. Review the response to ensure it aligns with what you expect from the Kibana dashboard. Return to the dashboard you are interested in. Check the visualizations linked to the data source by clicking on each visualization component. Focus on looking for any discrepancies in the data being displayed. If needed, adjust the time filter on the top right corner to analyze data across different time ranges. Lastly, confirm that the saved searches reflect the correct indices and data points you want to visualize. With these steps, you will have accurately verified your Kibana dashboards, data sources, and if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.